So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question, it will read his mind. There's the answer code.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.
Hey everyone, Thomas here from mgmclassiccars.com, and today I have the pleasure of going over another 1965 Mustang GT coupe. It's done in a beautiful pepper gray Eleanor color. Just got the car in. So what I'll do is a quick walk around. Maybe not a quick walk around because my videos are lengthy. But brand new paint, okay? The car has front power disc brakes and power steering. Beautiful chrome. The sticker down here, this is a decal. So if you want us to take that GT350 off, we can, or just a GT350 script can come off. You got the Cobra set up here on the gas cap. Okay, real nice paint. Like I said, brand new paint. Underneath is solid. There's no holes underneath or anything like that. Nice glass throughout the car. But I will get closer to start nitpicking the car after I do just a one-time walk around, and then we'll get a little bit closer to start nitpicking the car, okay? The stripes on the hood, roof, and back deck lid, these are painted. These are not decals, okay? Nice grille in the front. Chrome bumpers are new back and front. Now, because the paint's brand new, well, there are no scuffs, scratches, nor dings anywhere on the car. And where you start to look for that stuff, obviously, is getting a little bit closer. There's no bubbling in the paint, nothing like that. You got the wing windows, which are cool. That looks like an original side mirror. Door handles are new. Vertical strips on the car look original to the car. Weather stripping is good. Brand new wheels and tires. As you can see, there's no scuff marks, okay? There's no dings, nothing like that. It's just a little wax there. The car's been wet sanded and buffed out real nice. Trim looks good throughout the car as well. Like I said, the chrome is brand new. Rear tail lights are brand new. Clean trunk with a spare tire. Nice dual exhaust. Great stands. The trunk does sit up a little bit. Okay, as you can see there. It probably needs a little alignment. But anyway, getting closer. Beautiful shine, beautiful finish. Okay, no nicks, as you can see. No bubbling, no rust, like I mentioned before. There's your disc brakes. All right, let's pop the hood. Right underneath here. Lift, and lift up the hood. And you got a 289 high performance motor. Beautiful engine compartment, very clean. It doesn't have, I did mention earlier, it's got power disc. It's got disc brakes, but non-power. I want to make sure that I say that correctly. I misspoke. There's your power steering. Cobra valve covers, as you can see. Under the hood is great, all painted really nice throughout the car. Let's check out the interior now. Door panels look brand new. Door sill plates look great. Inner outer jambs look great. Cluster looks new. Showing 82,453 miles on the body. That motor's been rebuilt, we were told, with less than 5,000 miles. That's what we were told, and it does drive good. Speedo works. Nice tight headliner. Not perfect, but nice. Sun visor's all there. Dash is not cracked up. Check out the passenger side here. Once again, nice door jambs. Beautiful door panels. Clean little pony interior, as you can see. Okay, car's not perfect, but it's nice. You know, it is 50 years old. Step back a little bit. It's a real nice Mustang. Great stance, great look. A lot of thumbs up wherever you go. Let me fire it up. All right. Couple pumps. There we go. Listen to the exhaust. Sounds good. Listen to the motor. The motor sounds healthy. Love that scoop. So there you have it, folks. 1965 Mustang coupe. Eleanor, gray, pepper gray finish on the paints. All right. So as far as functionality of the vehicle, Speedo does work, and we will make sure before we deliver the car that these gauges are operable. Okay, we'll make sure of that. The radio does not function, and we're gonna leave that as it is. Okay, so we'll make sure that those gauges are all functional, and there's no horn. I'll make sure the horn works. All right, so that's that. If you guys need any financing, I got 3 levels of financing. Level 1 is a credit score between 700 to 800, and that gets you a 10-minute approval with no money down option. And obviously you're going to get the best rate at level 1. And rates are from, I would say, 4.99 to 7.1. Level 2 would be a credit score of 650 to 699. That will get you a credit score like 699 and above with 10% down. And then level 3, which is our final tier, is a credit score of 600 to 649. Definitely 10% down and maybe 20% down. It just really depends on the credit when you get to level 3. So if you guys are interested, we can process an application for you. If you're looking for shipping to your driveway, doorstep, you would have to send me your zip code and I'll get you a quote. We deliver around the world, so I can give you a quote. Open trailer or enclosed trailer. Really depends on which way you want to go and how far are you. And I'll give you my recommendation. So there you have the financing, the shipping, the exterior, the interior. Underneath is solid. Does have a little surface rust underneath, but it's very solid. So keep that in mind, guys. If you're looking for a beautiful 65 or any other classic car in our collection, go to mgmclassiccars.com and you'll have a wide selection of classics, vintage, And there's another 50 in that garage over there. So keep us in mind. We have great reviews. We're a 100% seller on eBay as well. You definitely want to deal with a reputable company who knows what they're talking about and will tell you everything that you ask them truthfully. And that's how we stay good ratings with our customers. My name is Thomas. I can be reached at area code 847-848-1850. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click the button, the red button on the bottom that says subscribe. If you're on Facebook, go to mgmclassiccars.com, click the like button, and you will be getting a lot of our cars, new releases on your news feed. Once again, thank you for watching, mgmclassiccars.com.